Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the rice. Wash, drain, and sun-dry until completely moisture-free so the color adheres. Once dry, measure 2 cups rice and transfer to a wide bowl. Add 2 teaspoons turmeric and 1/4 teaspoons salt for even color and subtle scent. The salt helps turmeric bind. Next, pour 1 teaspoon oil over the rice to give a mild sheen, which prevents powder from dusting off. This first step sets the foundation for uniform, lasting Akshathe. You now focus on achieving an even color. Using hands, fold and rub the turmeric-oiled mix so every grain is coated. This manual action ensures no clumps. Once the base hue is consistent, sprinkle 1 tablespoon dry flower petals or 1/2 teaspoon kumkuma for contrast and fragrance, then fold gently for about 2 minutes. After mixing, spread the colored rice in a thin layer on a clean tray and let it dry in sun or under a fan for 36. You finish by cooling the rice fully. Cooling locks in texture and prevents clumping when stored. Transfer to an airtight, moisture-free jar. Proper storage keeps Akshathe usable for months. During Pooja, use small bowls or gently sprinkle as required. The oil and petals add a pleasant sheen and aroma, highlighting offerings. If you notice uneven color or staining on hands, re-dry the rice thoroughly or, if faded, toss a tiny extra bit of oil plus turmeric and remix. That quick fix restores color without wasting the batch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.